Hi friends, in this video I'll be unboxing and checking the components of Chromecast with the Google TV. So now you are seeing the components of Chromecast with Google TV. Let me check all these components one by one. First, remote. So this is a remote. On right side we can see volume up and down buttons. Next, the main component, Chromecast with Google TV. This has a HDMI cable. That cable we need to connect to TV. Then the adapter, power adapter. Here we need to connect USB cable. And the batteries for remote. Then the last one, the last component, USB cable, type C USB cable. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video.